Good evening, this is Kiwi Tom. Been asked by a couple of guys a couple of our members to set up so they can see how I prepare to trade. So I've got EU, just a blank chart. These are I'm trialing this trading view and yeah, looking to simplify things a little bit more, I guess. Still addicted, I think, to indicators. But you'll see there's no Bollingers on my chart, there's no MAs. Purely going to be working with support and resistance, both horizontal and diagonal, and price action, of course. So this is the daily chart for the EU, and I'm liking what I can see along here for the last let's get rid of that one and we'll go with a diagonal, shall we? Still getting used to the tools on this chart, but yeah, nice uptrend. I would think you'd all agree. The EU has been making a bit of a recovery, which is great. Of course, I'm not looking to trade Forex tonight, so I'll be moving down and seeing what's been happening in the lower time frames. It looks like my charting, my lines could do with a bit of improving. A few improvements. Going to exclude this area here and just stick to that. Now, price comes near there, I'll be tempted to take a call because that will be acting as a support. Now, there's some pretty good movement on the top end of that as well, so I want to just see what we can find along here. I'm going to draw down. It's easier being right-handed to go in this way, and that's really strong, isn't it? Okay, that's a really strong resistance. Now, let's leave that there. Let's go down further in the last hour, see what's been going on. Oh God, looks terrible, doesn't it? Looks like the market's uncertain about what they want to do and how they want to do it. So we've had some strong rises, and obviously there's a lot of news coming out, so that's affected the positioning of price right now. And let's see if we've got some horizontal supports that maybe we can work with. And there looks like there's another one up the top there, round about there. Okay, that's quite a strong one by the look of it. We've got a few candles touching there. Let's go down into lower time frame and just see what that looks like. This is the 15-minute chart, and it's looking pretty good. I'll just expand those candles a bit. As I said, I've only just started using this trading view, but yeah, it's quite good, quite good. Might just pull this one down a fraction and go for the bottom of those two wicks. Why I've moved it there, we've got a touch here, and we've got a touch here where price has respected it at on the M15. This is our most recent high, so I'll go for that one. Now let's look at the M5, see what's going on there. Ooh, jeepers, look at this work over here. Straight up, straight down, 5 minutes. We've got news in 8 minutes by the look of it, so price seems to be consolidating in this range here, and it's a nice little channel. We just need a few more touches down here for me to be confident that this support is strong. What I don't like about this chart at the moment is the candles are various shapes. And you know, you've got these tall ones, you've got these kind of dojis and all sorts of stuff going in here, and I like my candles to be of a similar length and not too many wicks. But let's see what's going on the M1. Okay, so that's made a bit more sense in terms of the recent movement. Let's just reduce that candle size a bit more. Looks like there's a bit of resistance over here, and you can see where price has turned and touched and turned many times along that area there. So I'll just move it up to the bottom of that last one, and if there's a big candle coming down here on the next 28 seconds, I would go for it, but it looks like price might have run out of steam. And also it's 8:53, 7 minutes before news, and it's going to be Euro news, so I think the market's just watching. I'm not going to look to trade anywhere near that news, in spite of it getting next to my my support. Okay, so that's how I set up. Hope that was helpful, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.